Hey guys, everything new under the sun here. This is an economic update. This is from money.cnn.com, and again, it's about gold and it's about China. Two of the big players in end time prophecy. I think most potentially, anyways. China to buy 90 billion gold vault in London. China is buying one of London's biggest gold vaults. Now we know China has been stockpiling gold, and if we believe the Western financial experts. That was weird. The video started playing in the background on that article that I have in a read-only mode. Anyways, we know that they're stockpiling gold because, well, they think it's going to be worth something. But all the the central bankers and stuff say gold and silver are worthless. They're not money anymore. So why is China hoarding gold? And they're buying a huge percentages of the daily mined gold. The yearly mined gold. And now they're increasing their gold holdings by buying a storage facility in London. So why are they investing in this if gold and silver are not worth anything, according to the central bankers who try to suppress the price of gold and silver? Well, I think China recognizes that the economy is going to crash soon, and the winner of the economic crash is going to be the country that holds the most gold, because fiat currencies will most likely be revalued to gold when that occurs, because that is what has happened in the past. When a financial collapse has occurred, everything gets revalued back to gold, and you start from scratch with the gold standard. Chinese state-owned bank ICBC, the world's biggest bank by assets, has agreed to buy Barclays' precious metal storage business, including its state-of-the-art storage facility in London. The deal will boost China's access to London's gold market and expand the country's role in the gold business. Now, we know that the Chinese started a gold exchange, their own, to start trading gold to directly basically conflict and challenge the COMEX. So you see the price of gold slowly rising up, and that's in part because the US dollar is worth less money now, and also because there's now some more competition there for the markets related to it. The vault is in a secret location in London and can store at 2,000 tons of gold and other precious metals. At current prices, up to 90 billion worth of gold could be stored inside. Barclays has previously announced a move away from precious metal business. The bank opened the facility in 2012. And then just a couple comments on it. London is the world's largest wholesale over-the-counter gold market by trading volume, with an estimated 5 trillion worth of gold trades cleared there every year. Precious metal has been traded in London for over 300 years. But China dominates in terms of actual physical gold trading. Gold imports to China have surged over 700% since 2010. What do they see coming? I think they understand that something's coming, and they need real assets. And that's the problem with all the other countries in the world. They're not purchasing gold. Actually, Russia is. Canada's sold all of its gold, effectively. The U.S. is probably sold off most of its gold, pay for whatever debt it has. The country overtook India to become the world's biggest gold consumer in 2013. China now consumes about 40% of the gold that comes out of the Earth's ground every year. So there you go, 40%, according to Wells Fargo. Now again, why would a big country like China, who arguably is going to be the world economic leader the next time around, which is shortly, why are they getting into gold? Because they recognize what has been recognized for the last 6,000 years, that people value gold and silver, and that every time the economy collapses, it gets revalued back to gold and silver, or at least to gold anyways, as the standard, the gold standard. The dollar, the fiat currencies, are tagged to the value of gold, basically. And that's why they're stocking up, because they're getting in place to become the next world fiat, world reserve currency. And so that's what this article, I think, is about. I think that's what China is doing. They effectively see an economic crash, a currency crash coming, and they're getting in position to become the next world reserve currency. So related to related to Bible prophecy, I think what we're going to see is an economic collapse. But I think what we may not see is a switch to another fiat currency. I think we're going to actually see where China is wrong here. I think we're actually going to see a jump to a digital currency, a mark of the beast system, and I think this is the time to make that jump. I don't think we're going to see another 35, 40 years of another fiat currency backed by gold. I think we're actually going to, the central bankers and everybody's going to collude, the government, world, there's going to be a world government, and we're going to come together and say, we need a digital currency. Forget this fiat stuff, this fiat paper currency. We're going to come with a fiat digital currency. And I think that's going to be the next world currency system. So I think that's what's coming next for the world economy. And as soon as this economy crashes, it's not going to be back to the gold standard, I don't believe. I think it'll move straight to the mark of the beast system. So that's what I think, and that's what I thought of this article when I saw it. So I'll leave it with you. You can read the article. I'll link it down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.